Alright, we're over here at Alfred's new house here in West Valley, Utah. Pretty nice. I mean, it's not a mansion, but it's like nice and comfortable looking. You know, something I can live in for like 50 years.
Oh, man, that's parking too close. Max, you gotta move though.
Why?
Because I gotta bring this out.
How did he fix it?
Because we came in the church and I tried to move, nothing stop.
Why?
And he opened that one, the gas they blocked. Okay.
Oh, what is this, a shed?
There's a doghouse in the back. Did you see that?
I'll get to it. You know, gotta get every little bit. There's even entrance over here, side entrance, and there's that side entrance. Turn on the light. This camera doesn't do good in the dark. So here's another side view.
You don't have a flash?
Huh? I'm videoing. And there's this shed. This is how the floor looks like I'm standing on. You know. So we'll go check out the backyard. There's even this little door, like a little closet.
Jackson, get over here. Your shoes are getting. Your socks
Oh,
are
nice. Nice little, like, you know, cement area. You know, little wall, so that way they can be protected from their neighbors. Who's got a pretty good yard. This is like a wooden patio of some sort. Like maybe a hot tub or something used to be on here. That looks like a lot of blueberries from this tree fell down and splattered on the patio. There's another entrance back here, so there's 3 entrances on the side. This entrance, that door, the other door I showed you earlier, and then the front door. You just keep digging, jump in the fence, because this is really close to his homie's house on the other side of that wall right there. Oh, what is that? A doghouse? kind of looks like a scary doghouse. Like not even a doghouse, like a monster house. A little ladder. Is there anyone in here? Any kind of monster? Let me get some. Can't really see what. Nice backyard. And another side yard on this side of the house. There we go.
Yeah, I'll take anything. I'll just right here. I'll take that one in there. What should I look like?
Okay.
No, just.
I like mine a little bit sweeter, but well, that's me. Maybe it's just too much
Oh, did you see that extra bed in our room? Yeah, that's my bed. You know how the queen size bed is small? So, the extra bed that we have, I just put it in there and sleep on it.
Man, this video dirty.
At least you get your own bed.
Oh, you said you always feeding yourself.
That's why you have to work on pizza.
Wood floor. Let me guess, this is Dana's room?
Oh, no,
Oh no, I forgot. Sorry.
Oh, this is your
Big yard.
Portal. Freddy Krueger. I really want to beat that. I chose up the game.
Oh, I can probably use my dad's truck.
Where am
My dad's
I?
truck. Else, what do you think?
You're inside the
I'm
game.
going to work. This one
You're over
is
there.
I was going to go buy a new grill.
Put some outside.
Oh, you can use that truck?
Yeah, let me know when you go to free next moment.
What time do you get from home?
Oh, I forgot. It's the coupon schedule. I see this. I see this.
You're coming. You're coming.
You see that? No job.
Wow. It's not his fault that Barack Obama failed.
Oh, what?